We're going to review the long division problems that you had for homework, and these are some of the problems that I kind of pulled off here for us to check. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at how many times 4 goes into 792. The real question that we're asking is how many sets of things do we have when 4 goes into 792. Some of you might have some problems that are a little bit different because my book is different, but it's still going to be the same concept. That's why I'm having you write it down. Okay, the first question I want to ask myself, however, is how many 4s there are in the number 7, because 7 is a large enough number that we can find the number 4 inside of it. So I want everyone to take the time and just look at the board and pay attention. 4 goes into 7. How many times? Emil? Right, there is 1 4 in the number 7. If we would look at the number 7 and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you could actually find 1 4 in the number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, and let's circle that. And we have only 3 left over, so there would be 1 4 in the number 7. That kind of verifies it for us, so that we understand what's going on. So there's 1 4 in 7, and I'm going to actually multiply next. Multiply that 1 times that 4. What we just did on this particular thing, we did division. We did division first. That was how many 4s are in 7. That was divided. Then the next thing we do is we multiply. And then after that, we're going to subtract, we're going to compare, and then we're going to bring our answer down, bring it down if we need to, and that would be bring down. And then one way that we said we can remember that is by saying the acrostic what, Kaden? I think you like that. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? And that B would stand for the bring down or the arrow that we have. Let's all say that together. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? That's a good one. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? So we divided 4 into 7, and we found out it's 1. Now we're going to go to M for McDonald's, and that means multiply. Multiply. 1 times 4 equals 4, and then we're going to subtract. Sell for sale, subtract, and 7 minus 4 equals 3. And so we're going to compare our 4 to our 3, and our 3 is smaller than our 4, so we're in good shape. Now we need to do the next thing, which is to bring down the next number. And the next number happens to be in the tens column, and it is number 9. So we're going to bring that number 9 down here and set it right beside that 3, and then we're going to start all over again with division. And we're going to divide 4. We're going to ask how many sets of 4 are in the number 39. What number times 4 would come close to 39 without going over? 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2, 4 times 2 equals 8, right? And 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals what? 28. And 4 times 8 equals what? 32. So 4 times 8 equals 32. Can we go any higher? No, I don't think we can go any higher. I think 32 is our magic number, because if we went 4 times 9, that would be 30. What is 4 times 9? 36, wouldn't it? So right, you're right. 4 times 9 would be 36. So yeah, I'm sorry, 36 would be our magic number. So we're going to go 4 times 9. So how many times does 4 go into the number 39? How many 4s are in 39? And here it is right here. What is that number? Kaden? No, right here. Yes. 9. We're going to go 9. And so we got 9 here. And sorry for being sloppy, guys, but it's kind of hard to do it on this small board. All right, so we got 9 times 4 equals what? Class, we already said that 9 times 4 equals, go ahead, Isaiah. 36. So we got 36. So we just multiplied, and now we need to subtract. 39 minus 36 equals 3. And so now we need to compare. 4 goes into 3 no time, so now we need to do what? Bring down. So we're going to bring down, and let's see, we're going to bring down our 2, and now we're going to ask the same question. How many 4s go into 32? Well, what number times 4 equals 32? Go ahead. All right, thank you, Emil. 8. 8 times 4 equals 32. So we're going to put our 32, we're going to put our subtraction, then we're going to do our subtraction. 32 minus 32 equals 0. All right, so that's our answer for that one. 32 minus 32 equals 0. So our problem is answered because we can say 4 goes into 792 198 times. And the way we want to do is check this is if you even have a calculator, you can do this real fast. What 192 times 4 are to equal the same number of 792. And if we did that and carried it out, and you can check it later with your calculator, it would equal 792. So we checked it by doing that. Okay? Over here we have another one. We're going to do it real fast. How many times does 3 go into 6? How many 6 3s are in 6? There are 2 3s in 6. 2 times 3 is 6. We do our subtraction, and we get 0. We do our comparison. We see we need to bring down. We bring our 7 down. How many 3s are in 7? There are 2 3s in 7. 2 times 3 equals 6. We got our subtraction, and then we get 1. What do we need to do? We need to compare, and then after that we see it's smaller, so we bring our 1 down, and we have 11. 3 goes into 11. How many times? 3 times, right? 3 times 3 is 3 times 3 times 3 is 9, and we have a subtraction problem there. 11 minus 9 is what, class? 11 minus 9? 2. All right. Okay. And so this time we have what you call a remainder of 2. And if we checked it, we can just simply multiply. And let's see how they have it set up in the book. They have it set up with us multiplying. And let's see if we can bring this over here, checking it. We're going to multiply this number 223 times the number 3 plus, and that's going to give us the number 669, but we also have a remainder, so we're going to add the remainder to it, and with that remainder added to it, we should end up with 671, and that should be our answer. And that's the way we do that. Is everybody clear on that? Okay, well, I hope this helps. You can end.